20 miles an hour. Let's start seeing 25,000 feet, folks. So Kirk, I send you off to the men's room. You come back with a boom box. How does that work out?
Well, you know, Greg, we're good at improvising around here, and I just found it laying around, and I thought it might be something that gives some more good sounds out here.
Ladies and gentlemen, flying out in front of us is the HH-43 Huskie. Can't hear it, can you? Awfully quiet. The United States Air Force used these in the mid-1960s. Awfully quiet. If you have a camera, I'd get a photo of this, folks. It's the only one of its kind left flying in the entire world, folks. They're on static display at different Air Force museums, but this is the only place that you're going to see it flying. And coming around again, the HH-43 Huskie. Alan, our aircraft aficionado, tells me that was built by the Cannon Rotary Wing Company. You know, this thing could land in my backyard and during the middle of the night. I don't think I'd never know it was so quiet. You know, Alan, I'm going to hand you the microphone and let you tell the folks a little bit about the capability of this aircraft in search and rescue.
Yeah, basically the blades don't produce much downwashes as most helicopters do. So when it was hovering over any downed airmen, it didn't blow them about, and they could carefully lift the man out without him being blown around. If ever you got the chance to stand underneath one of these, even this one, while it's burning and turning, you can stand quite still, it won't blow you around. The downwash is very, very minimal. Brian had this helicopter restored. He's had it now for 2 years, and the restriction on it is the fact that it's the very last set of rotor blades available anywhere in the world, and it has about 35 hours left of flying time. Once the time is gone, this helicopter will be in the museum and won't ever fly again. So for the next few years, this is the only place you'll ever see one. So tell your friends to come and have a look at Brian's Cameron Huskie, the only one in the world. It's probably also the quietest helicopter you'll ever hear. As you can see, this neat little helicopter used for search and rescue. The view from the front for the pilot and the co-pilot. A bit like a Bell 47, an all-round view. They could see the down there, anybody that needed rescuing. Also for firefighting, it gave them a great view. So purpose-built helicopter and really very effective.
Ladies and gentlemen, just want to remind you, we've got some wonderful vendors within the hangar today. We've got American Pride Associates. They sell military camo combat and pilot rubber duckies, patriotic items, wooden models, Hawaiian patriotic leis, and other novelties. So stop by American Pride Associates. Well, Alan, it looks like the Huskie's going to put itself down here shortly. If you have a photo, folks, if you have a camera, this would be a great photo opportunity.
Greg, when I flew it here in the air 2 years ago, I was amazed at how stable it is in the air. But those who can see it, it's just about to touch down. When it's on the ground, you watch it by weight, it shakes. And if you wanted a milkshake, sitting one of those, you don't have to shake it yourself. The helicopter will do it for you. But up in the air, very, very stable.